더러운 방. Again, 더러운 방. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is 더러운. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 더럽다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 388. 더럽다. Again, 더럽다. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is 더, second syllable is 럽, and third syllable is 다. Pronounce it with me. 더럽다. 더럽다. The Korean word 더럽다 is an adjective which means to be dirty. Again, 더럽다 means to be dirty. How do we write 더럽다 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable 더, we need to draw first a decode character followed by an all character. For the second syllable 럽, we need to draw first a real character followed by an all character followed by a beep character. And for the last syllable 다, we need to draw first a decode character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 더럽다. Now let's look at this example. It says dirty room. Again, dirty room. The Korean translation of this is 더러운 방. Again, it's 더러운 방. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two. The first part is 더러운, which means dirty, and 방, which means room. Looking back to 더러운, it actually came from our word for the day, which is 더럽다. And 더러운 is the noun modifier form of 더럽다. And 더러운 describes the word 방, which means room. So when we say 더러운 방, it means dirty room. So looking back to this, which was flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 더러운 방 is simply dirty room. And with that, you've just learned 더럽다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 378 to 387. But don't forget our word for the day, word number 388, it's 더럽다, which means to be dirty. The first word for our review is word number 387, it's 새롭다, which means to be new. Next word for our review is 차갑다, which means to be cold. Next is 뜨겁다, which means to be hot. Next is 무섭다, which means to be scary. Next is 화나다, which means to be angry or furious. Next is 이야기, which means story. Next is 어렵다, which means to be hard or difficult. Next is 이대로, which means something is done like this as it has always been, or like how it used to be. Next is 의자, which means chair. And the last word for our review is word number 378, it's 매일, which means everyday. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.